Good day, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome back to our channel and welcome to another video where in today's one we're taking a look at the GitHub's website, and I'll be showing you guys essentially how can you rename your repositories as well as how you can manage them. So let's jump right into it. First of all, open up GitHub on your web browser. Make sure that you're logged in with your preferred profile as well. Now, from the home page of GitHub, you will on the left hand side click on your top repository. So make sure to find the repository that you've made. This one is mine right now. And then you would want to go and head to the settings of your repository. So here, essentially, here in the general settings of your repository, you will have a repository name section. So you'll get rid of your name right now and then put a new one. For example, I'll just change this number. And once I click on rename, as you can see, I will get my repository saved. So that's it for today. That's how you change your repository's name. Thank you very much for watching this video. Also, from here, you can manage all of the other settings that you need. And that will be it for today. Thank you for watching. I'll see you guys in the next one. Goodbye.